If you are looking for paying apps or you are looking for any streaming app or any platform, Glowlive is a streaming platform that pays you for any task you perform, or either by going live or by following others. So in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to earn from this platform. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if today is your first time of visiting my channel. And for the returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for subscribing and for being part of my community. Check the description below. You will see every information you need to start with this particular app. So let's go there. So in order to earn on this streaming app, you just have to go ahead and sign up. But on the sign up page, what you are going to see is login. So click on login and then sign up using your Gmail. You can see I just clicked on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open, and then you choose your preferred email address which you want to use to sign up. So I'm doing that already, as you can see on the screen. And once you are done with the signing up, you can see just agree and then go on. Once you are done, you choose your username which you want to use on the app. I'm using Internet Digitals. So whenever you sign up, or once you are done signing up, search for Internet Digitals, or you use my ID to search for me and follow me, because there's a reward when you follow up to 10 people. So when you follow me, I'm going to follow you back, so that your follow count will also count and you get your own reward from following. I'm also going to show you my credit from the people I have followed and the people that followed me. So once you are done with that, you enter the invitation code. I'm going to give you my invitation code, so you enter it here. Is very much important. Even though the roads optional, is important. Why? Because you will also earn from my referral code, and I will also earn for referring you. So it's 50-50 win. So it will also help you to join my agency platform, where I will be guiding you, or we can also sit on the seat together on the platform and then earn. Because when you spend 2 hours on the platform, you are going to be getting 50,000 coin. So those coins you can convert to dollars. So it's just a win-win game. So please, I want you to pay very rapt attention, and even as I'm talking, watch the video very well to see how it is being done. So you can see the first gift, friends gift pack, $1, get a gift worth up to $100. You can see this one. Once you are done signing up, you'll be given 3 chances to spin, and when you spin, you will be getting some coins. You can see this place here. So I'm going to spin my own and see what I will be getting. You can see I just got mine, and that's not all. I'm also going to spin again because it's 3 chances. So you can see it, and if you look at this point, you will see I already have $2.17, showing my results so far from the spin. It's just 3 times. That is a bonus also that you get on sign up. So ensure you follow all these steps so that you'll be able to get them. You can see invite 3 friends today. And once you are done inviting those friends, you go and receive your reward. So any tax you do here, you receive reward for it. Any tax you do, you receive reward for it. So there are different other ways to also earn from this platform, which I am also going to be briefly talking about. So please ensure you take record of them, because I would have done this step by step, but because I had to do other things, I couldn't do that. So if you look at this screen here, this point here, you will see these are people who are on live. I've joined a seat on this place, and in order to join seats here, what you need to do is, when you go to the home page, which I'm going to be circling or point out to you, when you join, you will see people like this, or you see seat, then the empty seat, you click on it. That's how to earn now. When you click on the seat, then you'll be asked to on your mic. So you click on mic, and once that is done, you have entered on a seat. So once you are there, You can even minimize it and continue whatever you are doing, and after 2 hours you go back and receive your 50,000 coins, which will be converted into dollar. Then it is also very much important that you do your verification. That is what I am showing you here now. So you must do the verification in order to earn your money. You can see complete face verification. So if you don't do that, you will not be able to also host your own live, because it's important you also host, especially if you are someone that have stuffs you can teach people online, or you can use it to even do online meetings, and as you are doing that you'll be earning. But then once, if you are also good in content creation but talking, because this is not video streaming, it's just audio streaming. So as you are talking, whatever you are doing, you spend your 2 hours, you will receive your gift. People can also gift you even as you are talking. People can gift you coins and it will be converted. There's another way to earn when you join, but that one maybe next time I'm also going to point out some other ways you can earn from this app. So I just don't want this to be too long, but I think this is basically all you need to know. Apart from this now, I think I will show you my own reward so far, or the tasks I did in order to get my reward. You can see from this point now, I was having 2/10 followers, but later, before I ended my life, I got up to 11 or 12 followers on that live, and I was able to get my 50k, sorry, my 2000 credit, because the credit they give varies. It's, it varies. So that's just that. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out that reward so you see. So here is my earning. I'm going to click on the wallet. So once you click on wallet, if you are trying to also view your own earnings, you click on the wallet, and once that is done, you will see, you can see my coin here, 4047. And then if you go to the other side, you click on the point, because on on the point you can also see some points there. That's where actually where your daily earnings goes into, which you can also convert, just like these other coins here. With these coins, you'll be able to gift people, you'll be able to also convert it. So if you click on this point here, you can see it, 50,000 points. That is what I have, and it is withdrawable. But then I have to wait for the minimum threshold to be able to withdraw it. But then that is basically how you can earn from this app. So maybe I will take my time one of these days to make a new video and show you every other ways you can earn from this app. Apart from daily streaming, there are some other ways you can earn. You can also join the Telegram, sorry, my WhatsApp channel and the WhatsApp group, where you'll be able to ask question one-on-one, because I may not be able to do that video. I could also do it if I have the chance, and then I'll be able to show you more things. So that's basically how to do it. So please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and follow the link in the description below to be able to sign up to this platform and then begin to earn with my code. So I'll see you in my next video.